In this tutorial, I will show you scale tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. So I am in Adobe Illustrator now. First of all, I would like to draw an perfect ellipse or circle here. Okay, here is, you can see, fill is turned off and stroke is turned on, which stroke point is 1. So after that, you can access scale tool from here. Right click and scale tool here, which keyboard shortcut is S. So scale tool resize objects around a fixed point. It is resizing objects around a fixed point. So I am accessing already it. I am holding down Alt and click this center point to fixed out and center point. I am clicking here and you can see I need to make it uniform. You can see here is 260. I would like to 125. So here it is. You can see this was original and this is updated with scale tool. This is uniform. So I am copying here, clicking copy, and you can see an shape with 125% increment. A shape has been created and also copied. So it's a new shape. So if I now hold down Ctrl plus D from the keyboard, you can see each time it's incrementing with 125% and also duplicating the shape, and in this way we can creating this type of shape. So I am undoing it again. So this is an way. Also, if I hold down Alt from the keyboard and clicking here, you can see this is also same manner. I am clicking 125% here. So this is 125% and this is the preview. You can see it also copied the shape and implementing the 125%. So I am here copying. You can see where I have placed the center point, it is copied and create new shape from there. So if I now pressing Ctrl D, you can see it is creating and duplicating shape from this fixed point. So this tool is working along the fixed point and resizing the shape. Also, I would like to show you quickly. I am drawing a rectangle here and also drawing a rectangle here. I am selecting both the shape and this is I am selecting with this selection tool, and then I am doing a Pathfinder tool using I did unite it. So now I am selecting those 2 points. These 2 points. These 2 anchor points are selected and these are not. So now I am accessing scale tool. So after accessing scale tool, if I click and drag it to the left, you can see the both side of the shape has been resizing. Also, I am changing the fixed point shape. Now you can move the shape to the upper or lower part to change it and make the complex shape. I am selecting this tool and clicking here once and holding down Shift. I am clicking here once. So now I am accessing scale tool. You can see if I hold down, and you can see this is the both shape resizing in opposite direction, but it is resizing. I cannot change this. It's also follow the fixed point line. So if I now hold down it, if I now hold down it, and you can see when I am clicking the point, it is making this shape. Now I am clicking here. You can see I have moved the fixed point here. Now you can easily make resizing shape anywhere. You can place the resizing anchor point anywhere in the shape to make complex shapes. So that was for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.